city blue for me and you. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
Hey guys, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, so what I'm actually going to be reviewing today, you guys, are these glitter liquid lipsticks by Cmaa Cosmetics. Now, I know you guys probably never heard of this cosmetic brand. Neither have I. I actually got 8 of these liquid lipstick glitters on Amazon for only $8. They were, I guess, like a special, and this packaging is super cute. It has like little skulls around. There you go. You can see it, holographic skulls on there. And here is their front logo. And yeah, you guys, so these are cruelty free. And I don't know if you guys have like a Facebook, and if you ever seen, you know, ads coming by where ladies are rubbing their lips like this, and then their lips go from matte to glitter. So that's what these are supposed to do. So I'm really hoping they are a pass, you guys, because there was another brand on Amazon. They looked more promising with their glitter liquid lip, where it's supposed to look glittery. So I'm hoping for the best, you guys. Fingers crossed. If not, then you do get a variety of nice colors in here. And I'm already going to tell you one downfall already, you guys. There is supposed to be a baby pink in here, and they gave me 2, I think it's this one. They gave me 2 of the same colors, 2 of the exact same colors, and I was a little bit sad about that because I really wanted to. I'll post a picture right here, and you're gonna see that there is supposed to be a baby pink in there. So I'm just like, that's the color I really wanted to try the most. So we are going to start off with this color right here, and they just come in numbers. This is 04 right here, and we're going to swatch them all on the lip, and let's see if they give you that glitter. Okay guys, so this one is a bright pink. This is the color C4 again, and what we're supposed to do is put it on our lips like that. I'm going to do a second coat. And they say that you're supposed to, well, the directions on Amazon say that you're supposed to, I'm talking kind of weird because I'm trying to like let it dry, that you're supposed to let it dry on your lips, and then you're supposed to pout. So it's supposed to dry on matte, so I'm kind of just fanning it down. It is a really beautiful color though, I must say. It does have a sheen, like a little bit of a satin sheen to it, so I am liking that, you guys. Excuse my breakouts right here. It's all of that maskne, you guys. So if you're going through maskne like me, I know you're probably not alone. Okay, so it's starting to feel less sticky. It didn't mention anything about, I do see some glitter popping up though. I don't know if I should let it fully dry or kind of like keep it tacky. Okay, let's keep it tacky. Okay. I am seeing some glitter roll through here, you guys. Only bad thing is I feel like I'm losing color on the top. So maybe we're supposed to let it dry all the way. Okay, this is kind of cool. I'm going to do another coat, and we're going to let that one fully dry. Going to let this dry right here, you guys, for a few minutes or two. Kind of where you just lose that stickiness. Okay guys, they feel pretty much dry to me, so I'm going to do that rolling thing or that pout. Okay, I am seeing this glitter, you guys. This is actually quite cool. It looks like you need multiple layers for this to work. Super cool, you guys. I'm actually really liking this shade right here, and I'm liking that this is actually working. And remember, the trick to actually make the glitter come out is to roll the lips. So it's smudged just a little bit on the edge, but that can always be fixed with retouching up. And the website does say that they're long lasting. Supposed to not, there it is, supposed to not transfer, you guys. So Thanksgiving is coming up. You know what that means. Apple pie. Pumpkin pie. Ooh, don't get me started. Well, anyways, I love pumpkin pie, FYI. So I'm sorry, pumpkin. I do love pumpkin pie, but my favorite is actually apple pie. So yeah, if you have apple pie over at your house, you want to bring me over, promise you I'm a fun bud. Okay, well anyways, no transfer over on the finger. So guess what that means? You're gonna have glitter lips, looking fabulous, looking glamorous, and while you're eating some turkey or maybe that apple pie. So I'm liking this, you guys. Okay, on to the next colors. So yeah, you guys, the reason why I kind of like saved this until now, because, or I bought this sooner and they're supposed to have like little skull things for Halloween, is because Thanksgiving. Who does not eat on Thanksgiving, and who wants a long-lasting lip? Me, who's gonna have probably a few drinks and wants still a long-lasting lip? Me. So yes, you guys, that's why I kind of saved this video for, like, you know, November, the Thanksgiving eating time. Alright, so on to the next colors. So you guys remember, I'm literally having to use makeup remover to get this lip off. Okay guys, so second lip color is this very, very dark red, almost burgundy. It's called 02. So this color is really, really nice. I think, honestly, you guys, this would be a really, really beautiful color, especially since it's fall. It's a very dark red, and I haven't powdered my lips because I'm just giving it time to dry. I know I didn't put it on the best because I'm like just trying to roll through these and see that glitter pop. And I did put several layers on this because, remember from the first one, it looked like one layer didn't do it, so you need like several layers. But even so, you guys, it's a good deal. You get all of 8 colors for $8, so it's like $1 a color, and it has a very faint scent, and it's actually kind of refreshing. It's not overpowering. When you put this on your lip, it feels very, very soft. So it's really weird how it dries matte, but then yet comes with that glitter after you make that pout. So I think this is very interesting, yet cool at the same time, and this could actually be a really great Christmas gift for anyone. If you have anybody that loves liquid lips, those are my absolute favorite. So if you love liquid matte lips, then this is going to be for you, and especially who doesn't like sparkle. There it is, you guys. I'm losing some color on this side, as you can tell, but okay, so I have it down now. What you have to do is wait till it gets really, really tacky. So if your lips are super, super sticky, wait till that happens and then start pouting your lips. You're probably going to have to retouch up, which is the bad thing about it. But now you saw, there it is. You see how my lips stuck together? Look at that glitter. Like that. See that stickiness? There it is. And it does look like it requires multiple layers to get this down. Okay guys, so on to the next color. I did read something on Amazon stating it's always okay to actually put a bottom color on and then put the top color on. So we're gonna see if that works or that changes anything. And we are taking this next color, which is 03, and this is like a fire engine red. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna start pouting. Okay, so I have to do this like 20 times. And there is the glitter, you guys. Check that out. But adding that bottom color, I honestly think really did help a whole lot. You can definitely see that glitter on the lips. So hey, we're getting somewhere, you guys. I'm liking this. Okay, so next we are on the color C5, and this is like a magenta with shimmer on the inside that looks like it has purple shimmer. Looks like there is very light glitter on this one, and it's pink glitter. Very cool. I like that they added different glitters in. Glitter lips do seem to work. The only thing I don't like about some of these is that they are a little bit grainy. So like I said, you have to wait till it dries or it gets tacky, and then you literally have to keep fixing it and putting on layers. Next up is another red in here, and this is more like a crimson dark red. So we have like 3 different types of reds. We have this really, really dark red right here, which is like a burgundy red. Then we have our bright fire engine red, and then we have this red right here that we're gonna try on. And we lost a little bit of color right here on this side, but you do see that glitter popping out. Okay, you guys, so I'm loving this color as well. I'm actually loving this product quite well, you guys, so I honestly think this would make a great Christmas gift, especially, you know, like I said, you can't really beat the price, and there was only a few left, so let's finish it off with the last two colors we have. Okay, guys, so this is like a light purple color, and this is in the color 06. And I'm actually going to give you guys a small little story time. Have you guys yet this year to encounter a Karen? If you know what I'm talking about or seen TikToks, you will know what a Karen is. So as I'm putting this lip, I'm going to give you a short story time of how I encountered my first Karen of 2020. Anyways, you guys, so I also do face painting. That is basically what my whole business revolves around, besides photo booth and a whole bunch of other stuff. I went to a client's house. I was running a little bit behind because traffic on the, you know, Hallows Eve and Halloween is very, very hectic. So I park right in front of this person's house. Generally, when people have a party on their street or a small gathering, they will park in front of their neighbors' houses, right? So I parked in front of this neighbor's house, already had everything in my hand, like my kit, my chair, packed up and everything to go. I'm going to let that dry right there. So while it's drying, I'm going to give you a story time. And yeah, so parked, already had to go. And then this lady comes up to me and she goes, "Excuse me, this is my house. Can you please park across the street?" And I already have everything in my hand. I'm already running behind. And I told her, "Sure, I will park once I'm done. I will repark once I'm done setting up." Because there's like a parking spot right here where I took it. And then right across the street, like not even 5 footsteps away, this is where all she had to do was make a quick U-turn and then park on that end. And so she literally blew a freaking gasket, dude. So I went to my party and started setting up my face painting kit. She goes over there and tells my party host and says, "Your painter is refusing to move." And I told her, "No, that is incorrect. I told you that I would move my car once I set up all my things." And she was making a big squawk about it, literally, you guys. So she was just giving me problems. So I told her, "You know what? The parking in front of someone's house on the street, that's a public parking spot. Anyone can park there. So I don't have to move my car if I don't want to." Because she was, you know, she was really pushing it, you guys, like really, really pushing it after she already parked across the freaking street. Okay, so let's go ahead and roll this lips. Ooh, this one's really pretty. Besides like the touch-ups I would have to do. And there is the glitter. Alright, on to the next color and continuing the story time. Okay, on to the last color, you guys, which is the color that I got a dupe of, and this is like a dark purple. Well, anyways, once I'm done setting up, I go move my car because I don't literally have to live with this lady for the rest of my life. The neighbors do. So I was just doing it for, you know, the sake of my clients and pretty much so they don't have to deal with her later. Well, as I'm moving my car, she told me, "You made a really great impression on your business." Oh, no. Prior to that, she, once I'm done setting up, wait, no, actually that was the end, my bad. Yeah, so she goes, "You made a really good impression on your business, chick." And I told her, "Your opinion has no meaning to me." And that really pissed her off because I'm already now 15 minutes late because I'm having to do all of this extra stuff that technically I don't need to do. I'm just doing it to be, you know, I guess not so much of a hassle or annoyance to my clients. Well, anyways, I'm already about to start painting somebody, and she comes up to me and she goes, "Can I have a business card to your business?" And I told her no. And she's like, "Why?" And I told her, "Well, I'm the owner." And she goes, "Well, what's your name? Because I'm going to report you." And I was like, "I don't have to give you my name. I decline to give you my name." I'm like saying in the back of my head, "Lady, who are you gonna freaking report me to? Like ICE or something? Like, I live here. I'm from America. I was born in California." And oh my god, so from that point on, I was like the talk of the party because I'm pretty sure like my clients were like, "Wow, this girl got sass," because I don't know, this lady just came up out of nowhere. At the end of the party, supposedly she had a bad day at work. But anyways, you guys, that still doesn't give her the excuse to treat me the way she treated me, despite she was having a bad day. She was already parked. I already had my stuff set up. I was only there for an hour and a half and literally made a big squawk about it. So I'm just like, okay, you know, like what's going on here? But yeah, that was my first Karen encounter of 2020. The crazy thing is that she works at a place where my parents are really well known of their employees. I'm not going to name the place she works because I heard where she works, so I told my mom. But anyways, apparently my mom knows this lady who did that to me, and that she, because my brother owns his own business too, and that she technically treats my brother like if he's a king, because they do certain events for a particular company. Well, anyways, I told my mom, what are the odds of that she probably, like, if I ever go with my brother to one of his events where she's at, she's probably gonna be like, what, you're related to her? But yeah, so that happened, and let's get back to this review, you guys. So that is my final review for all of these colors, you guys, that you get right here, and this is called by Cmaa, and you can get that on Amazon for $8 right now. It says there was only like 5 left, so I will link the link below. And before I forget, I always forget to do this, you guys, I shout out. Let me shout out to some people. Okay guys, so I'm going to shout out to my homegirl. Her name is Sarah, and her YouTube channel is Sadistic Beauty. I am going to link her link below, you guys. Be sure to follow her channel. She does daily blogs. She does makeup as well, and she does a lot of artistic things. So if you're into that, be sure to follow her channel. Give her a comment on her videos. Give her some likes. Show her the same love back that you guys been showing me, which I really do appreciate it as a small YouTuber. So thank you very much. And also another one that I want to shout out, because I forget this, you guys, so I'm so sorry to, you know, the gals that we're all supporting each other and whatnot. I'm so sorry I forget, but I remember now, so I'm gonna start doing that. This month of November is gonna be my shout out month. And anyways, second girl I want to shout out, she is absolutely sweet, the most kindest person I've ever met, technically through social media, and her name is Kayla Curls. So do follow her channel, you guys. She does makeup, she does hair, she does a lot of hair tutorials that are absolutely amazing, and her makeup is so amazing as well. So please do check her out, because these are two gals that I really enjoy having, supporting each other on our channels. I will be shouting, don't worry friends, I will be shouting you guys out. I'm sorry, I've been forgetting to do this, so I'm making a priority of November to shout out my fellow gals who are staying strong together and supporting each other. And yeah, you guys, if you did like this glitter liquid lip, let me know what you guys thought about it. Obviously, I would not leave my lips like this because, you know, you gotta fix them and stuff. And I do think this is cool. Would I buy again? I probably would buy again if I were to run out of all of these colors, but I don't think I'm going to run out of all of these colors, and I do like the fact that they're sparkly and glitter. So that is really cool. And yeah, you guys, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you love Thanksgiving, if you love eating that day. And other than that, I will see you all on my next video. Bye!